Gabbard. Do you have any
waiting? I just want to start by saying it's great to be here to meet with some of my former colleagues, like Senator Langford, and I'm looking forward to continuing to engage with the senators on the committee and also in the broader Senate as we go through this process.
How would you respond to some of your fellow members describing you as a national security risk?
I want to address the issue that's in the headlines right now. I stand in full support and wholeheartedly agree with the statements that President Trump has made over these last few days with regards to the developments in Syria. My own views and experiences have been shaped by my multiple deployments and seeing firsthand the cost of war and the threat of Islamist terrorism. It's one of the many reasons why I appreciate President Trump's leadership and his election, where he is fully committed, as he has said over and over, to bringing about an end to wars, demonstrating peace through strength, and putting the national security interests and the safety, security, and freedom of the American people first and foremost.
What was your relationship with Assoune?
I think it was a great statement. I think she did a great job. Tulsi Gabbard just did a great job speaking about what's going on in Syria right now, the fall of Assad in Syria. Tulsi Gabbard is now president-elect nominee for DNI, and she just met with senator on Capitol Hill. Tulsi Gabbard, I think, made a great choice, deciding to leave the Democratic Party ultimately and joining the Republican Party now, and supporting Donald Trump. I think she believes that Donald Trump has the best way to end wars all over the world, with peace through strength. I think she made the right call. I think the Democratic Party is alienating a lot of people right now, and many people are joining the Republican Party, such as Tulsi Gabbard, such as Elon Musk, such as Kennedy. And they believe that Donald Trump is the best person for the job, and he got elected in the White House for that, just because the Democratic Party just ran a very poor campaign. Let's see what people say in the comment section. If there is to be an American president in the desert, let Lindsey Graham go first. People do not appreciate these neocons sending people to war in foreign countries. They don't like that at all, and I think they are right. They are right. Wars should be stopped. We should make peace and negotiate through diplomacy, and do not send soldiers over into Syrian civil wars. There's a reason people despise the media. She was a perfect choice for President Trump cabinet. Yeah, I truly believe that Tulsi Gabbard is a very honest, a very competent person that loves her country and the American people overall, and she will give her life for the country. So it's a great pick for Trump and for Trump cabinet and for the American government overall. You are loved, Secretary Gabbard, said someone. Smart, informed, well-spoken, unflappable. Great choice for DNI. I believe it's a great choice as well. Folks, we are about to have the best government ever. Did anybody in the media interrogate Mayorkas ever? Yeah. I think she is doing a great job. It was a great assessment. It was a great interview. She's gonna do great things over the next 4 years with Trump administration. We will see what happens, and we will of course cover it all on this channel. So thank you for watching and staying with me in this video. Really appreciate you being there. Thanks for watching, and click right there to watch the next video, and I will see you there in the next video. Bye bye for now.